Rob is a pivotal member of Llanelli Athletics Club where he has several roles. During COVID, when races and activities were curtailed, Rob organised activities and challenges to keep members motivated, from strength and conditioning workouts to a 140-mile Ironman challenge and a mile-a-day January challenge. As well as this, Rob encouraged his Couch to 5K runners to stay active during COVID and have now become fully affiliated members to the club.
Mae Geraint yn hyfforddwr ymroddedig sy'n cymell ac yn ysbrydoli chwaraewyr dan 14 yng Nghlwb Pêl-droed Saron. Mae Geraint yn ymroi'r clwb wythnos i wythnos, mae'n hawdd mynd ato ac yn frwdfrydig ac yn ymddiried yn y chwaraewyr ifanc, ac mae hyn yn rhoi hyder mawr iddyn nhw. Mae wedi helpu llawer y chwaraewyr i gyrraedd eu llawn botensial. Bellach mae chwaraewyr Saron yn chwarae ysgolion Sir Gaerfyrddin dan 14 ac Academi Tref Gaerfyrddin dan 14.
As a coach, David's devotion to gymnastics is exemplary. He encourages young children to be more active, goes above and beyond as a community coach and mentor, and during COVID has kept the gymnasts and their families' spirits high. During this time, David provided online training sessions 3 days a week, which encouraged the children to keep up their fitness and self-esteem. He organised outdoor activities in the local community which encouraged positive mental health and well-being, and also provided inclusive activities welcoming all children.